Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today, as you can see, we're doing an editorial look. I obviously haven't done it yet because this is the beginning of the video and everything is in the future right now for me. So I don't know how this is gonna turn out, and I'm hoping it turns out amazing. I was recently inspired by this one Instagram account, and I'm gonna kind of copy, the shape of it, but I'm gonna kind of create a editorial feel to it, and do my own photo shoot. So hopefully it comes out really cool. I really like the shape that this person was using. I forgot their name, but I'm gonna link him. It's like Mira Makeup or something like that. And I'm gonna have two parts to this tutorial. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna do my brows, because we're gonna do them a little bit different, and then I'm gonna do the eye. And today I decided to use these bitches. So we're gonna do another Let's Play Opulence Collection Realness Extravaganza. Yeah, we'll see how that works. I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we'll get it started. So I'm wearing my makeup again. I am using a little bit less coverage in the last video. I think I caked it on last video, to be honest. It looked good because it was all blended out. But I'm going a little bit lighter because I have been experiencing some breakouts and I don't want that to keep happening. It's not fun. I have to put more concealer, and this is fine. Like, this looks good enough, and you can see some of my skin through it. Highlighter, blush, bronzer, no brows, chapstick, and I'm gonna start with the brows. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a bar of soap. So really ghetto, like Instagram style. I couldn't afford brow wax. I actually don't have brow wax. And I'm gonna use a little mascara wand to kind of make him look wet and stuck together. And we are going for more of that feral type of look, so I'm making them go up. There you go. And then to fill them in, I'm just gonna draw little hair strokes with the Iron Brow Maestro in black. I was actually looking for my Kat Von D pomade, but I can't find it. So I guess I'm gonna have to use something else. So I'm just gonna go draw like upward angles like this. Yeah, that looks good. The only thing about using soap in this situation is that I can smell the soap. It's ridiculous. Okay, so now it's time for the shadow, and I'm not gonna be using a lot of shadows. It's just a very defined type of look. So I'm gonna start by using the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. And then I'm going to use my Dior eyeliner brush. I'm not sure if they sell this, but this is a really good brush. It looks like a smudging brush, but they call it an eyeliner brush, and it's amazing for little details because it's very precise. And I'm just going to go into Dark Matter from the Dark Star palette. Wet the brush a little bit so I get more definition. Okay, now I'm gonna do the wings. And I'm just gonna try to connect them. Okay, now I'm gonna use another brush. I'm gonna use a Laura Mercier cream shadow brush. I'm just gonna fill in this area and do the little circle at the end. There you go. I am a genius. This is coming out as planned. So you may be wondering, how come when I apply the shadow, it doesn't go everywhere like when you apply the shadow? That's because I'm picking up the shadow with water, but then once I pick it up, I also spray it. And then I kind of pat it on my hand like this, to make it pressed and compact and densified so it doesn't go everywhere. It also turns it into a little bit of a paste. Okay, so that was the hardest part. Now I'm gonna go back and do the details. This brush, you won't find it anywhere because they don't sell it in a lot of makeup brands. It's a brush that looks like this. I got it from the art store. Wow, I just noticed I got makeup on my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the finishing touch, which is a little bit of silver. So I'm gonna use the Metalmorphosis palette. And now I'm just gonna blend it lightly into the inner corners. And to give it a final clean touch, I'm gonna use Rue Bonaparte from NARS. It's a nude eyeliner, and I'm just gonna use it on the inside to make it cleaner looking. Okay, I'm gonna go finish this off with some mascara, eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is it. I took a bunch of photos, I did a video. I am really happy with this look. It came out just as expected, and I used that, you know, cool little scarf thing that I used on another shoot, on this shoot, and it became so cool and editorial. Very deconstructive. I mean, who am I? I'm becoming this like fountainhead of ideas, and I kind of like it. If you guys haven't been to Instagram, you can go to Instagram to check out more of the photos. I hope you guys enjoyed the look today. Obviously it was a little bit more editorial, not super I mean, you can wear this out, like I'm not stopping you, but not super wearable for most people. I do have on my lips Omi, and I used a little bit of Metallurgy. Yeah, I used a little bit of Metallurgy from the Metalmorphosis palette to give this nice highlight on top and on the bottom of the lip. If you guys don't know, I like to do this to make them look bigger and plump, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and ring the bell button so you're notified when I have a new video. Don't forget to like and share the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.